Holland up the boards on a defensive change for the Hurricanes. Kozun had a little room. Now Sekera gets there to the front of the net, off the post. Kozun's after the puck, and he gets it in the net. Brandon Kozun has his first National Hockey League goal. He got it by the defenseman stationed on the goal line, and an excited young man from Calgary, Brandon Kozun, has his first in the NHL to tie the game 1-1.
What a huge moment for this youngster who's played very well every time he's come up. And why? Because of his great speed, and this is an example of it here. He starts the rush off, throws it to the middle of the net, it hits the post, and then he doesn't go by the net. He stops and comes back to the to the post, and this is why he's rewarded. If he skates around the net, no goal. And he takes a couple of shots at Malone, who ends up playing goal as a forward and tucks it in between his legs and gets his first National Hockey League goal.